quarter. Let her go. Gets the three, no good. Rebound by Evangelista. Number 11, basket. Ooh. There's a foul. Sino tatanggap na bola? Si number 10. Paran. Pass to number 7. 4-3. No good. Offensive rebound by Paran. To number 10. Basket yan. Outlet pass. Bounce pass to number 57. Nabitawan. Spin. Using the glass, nakalusot si number 57. Still Evangelista. Ay na ang pressure defense ng LaSalle Green Hills. Almeda. May tangan ng bola. Almeda to number 10. Basket is good. Number 7. Oopsie, there's a foul. Ramirez. Number 57 to number 34. Nabitawan. Steal by Almeda. Almeda binigay. Paran. Uy! Kitang-kita na sa traveling. Six minutes and 20 seconds. Oriel Morty. Pass to Evangelista. Drop pass to by Cruz. Thiago. Number 7. Bigay sa corner. Gustong bumawi sa tres. In and out. Rebound by Evangelista. Pass to Thiago. Sorry, that's Cruz to Oriel. Marty. Cross. Marty, binigay. Top of the key. 4-3. Yes, para sa tres. By Cruz. Jersey number 3. Ayan na. Outlet pass. Bad pass nga lang yan. Oriel Marty. May tangan ng bola. Marty. Ooh. Four minutes and 59 seconds. Cruz. Pass to Oriel. Oriel to Evangelista. Up and under. Basket by Evangelista. Ayan na. Number 10. In a double team. Oh, there's a foul. Number 1. Number 7. Looking for his teammate. Gets the 3. No good. Rebound. Makuha ng Green Hills. Out of bounds. Nasal Green Hills basketball. Marty Oriel. Oriel di diskarte. Oriel, strong drive, block. Rebound by number 10. Outlet pass. Uy, and 1. Basket count and 1. Para kay jersey number 67. That is O'Malley. Bonus shot is good. 3-point play para kay O'Malley. 40-22. Umahabol dito ang LaSalle Zobel. Marty. Paso Evangelista. Evangelista. There's a foul. Bola dito ng LaSalle Green Hills. Marty. Jam shot. Basket para sa LaSalle Green Hills. Galing yan kay number 20. Ayan na. Number 14. Basket. Oriel, block. Two minutes and 26 seconds. Number 10. Hand off to number 7. Number 7. Oy, what a fake! What a shot by Paran. 42-26. Umahabol dito ang LaSalle. Zobel. Marty. Pass number 6 to Cruz. Cruz. Ooh, there's a foul. Substitution. Zamora, Noah, and Ojeda coming in. Shooting on the line, jersey number 3, Cruz. Second shot is good. 2 for 2 para kay Cruz. 49. What? Official score po natin, 49-26. Number 20. Pass number 8. floater, no good. Out of bounds. Bola ng Lasal Zubel to number 8. To number 7. From elbow 3. Yes, sir! Para sa 3. By Paran. Ojeda. Stop and pump. Wala. Rebound. Penalty. LaSalle Green Hills under penalty situation. Number 67 on the free throw area. First shot is good. Second shot para kay number 67. Oy! Bad pass nga lang or bad shot. Para kay Umali. Last 42 seconds. Zamora to Cruz. Cruz back to Ojeda from elbow 3. 3 points. Aray Ojeda. Paran, pass to number 10. Catch and shoot, short. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz. 7 seconds, fadeaway shot. Wala. 3 seconds left. Oopsie. End of the third quarter. Fisher score of 52-30 in favor of the LaSalle Green Hills. Kaya natin muna ang huddle ng LaSalle Zubel dito. Shoutout muli sa pamilya Zamora. Ayan. Sir and ma'am. Magandang umaga po or hapon sa inyo lahat. And ganun din ang pamilya Almeda. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta at pag-take at cover ng inyong live games tulad nito. At ganun din from both team. Magandang hapon. Alright, fourth quarter coming up. 52-30, 22-point lead para sa LaSalle Green Hills. Ojeda, pass to Cruz, to Noah. Noah, fadeaway shot! What a nice shot again para kay Noah Zamora. Another steal para sa LaSalle. Ojeda setting on the play to Thiago, back to Ojeda. Biggest lead of the game. 56-30. Number 7, pass to Almeda. Almeda with a strong drive, enters a foul. Bola dito ng LaSalle Zubel. Number 8, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Paran, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Noah. Pass to Ojeda. Ojeda setting on the play. To number 50. 28 rather. Pass to Noah. Noah Bad pass. Ojeda to number 28. Ojeda. Pass to number 6. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 17. Number 17. Steal by Rakay Noah. Pass to Ojeda. Ojeda with the changing pace. Pinagay sa corner. Back to Ojeda. Pass to Noah sa loob. Noah! No good. Rebound. Makakuha ng mga naka-white shirt. Baran. Pass to Almeida. Nagagawan. And that's a hustle play. Out of bounds. Wala mapupunta sa mga naka-white shirt. Almeida. Pass to number 2. Top of the key. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Noah. Pass to Ojeda. Outlet pass to number 28. What a save. Number 28. Basket. Ayan na ang mga naka-white shirt. Number 7 to number 12. Ooh, no good. Rebound. Number 10. There's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 10. First shot is good. Number 10, basket. Last 6 minutes left. Ojeda. Out of bounds. Another steal para kay Almeida. Number 17. There's a foul. Shooting in the line, jersey number 17, Paran. First shot is good. Five minutes and 29 seconds left sa ating fourth and final quarter. Offensive rebound by Noah. Makukuha ng Lasal Zubel, number 10. What an extra pass. Almeida with an easy two. Ojeda. There's a foul. Number 9. 5 minutes left sa ating fourth quarter. Number 21. C. Pass to Noah. Bad pass. Pero naka-recover. C to Noah. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Lasal Zubel, basketball, number 9. Number 7, no good. Rebound by number 12. No good. Rebound. Number 7. Nasa corner. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Basket yan. Cruz, pinasok na rin. Loki. Cross to C. C, side step. No good. Rebound. kasi official timeout tayo. Almeda, pass to number 12. Pass to number 7, 4-3, no good. Rebound by number 9 and 1. Galing yan kay Almeda. Sa mga young guns to ng Lasal Zubel and team makabagong San Juan. Almeda, bonus shot, no good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Loki. Cruz. Oh, steal. Ay na, tumatakbo. Number 7. Oh, steal. Number 12. Basket yan. Ayan na, unti-unti na humahabol ang Lasal Zubel. 58-41. Loki. Cruz. Pass to C. Block by Almeda. Number 12. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10 nagmamadali. Ayan na. Number 10. Pass to Almeda sa gitna. Wala. Rebound. Almeda again. And 1. Basket count and 1 by Almeda. Shout out ang si Mrs. Almeda. Support sa kanyang my son in the future star sa basketball. And Almeda, basket for the bonus shot. Time remaining 2 minutes tayo and 9 seconds po. Oh, another steal. Number 7. Block from behind. Out of bounds. Timeout. Lasal Guaranias. Time remaining 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Shout out. Ayan, yung mga idol natin sila Mayor Francis Zamora and the PBA Moto Clubs na nandito. Sila Rico Marhopper and JJ Helderbrand. Shout out po sa inyo. Yun, no? Supporting the Lasal boys. Lasal, Battle of Lasal. Alright, back to the ball game. Ito yung mga future star ng Lasal. Ayan na, sa loob. Almeda, no good. Cruz. Pass to number 12. Handoff. Number 38, wala. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 12. To Almeda. Basket. Ayun na, nakibababa na ang Kalamangan. Oh, another steal by number 10. Number 12. Number 7 to number 13. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Oh, bad pass. Steal by number 12. Ooh, good hustle. Evangelista to Loki. Ooh, what a smart move by Loki Cruz. Last 56 seconds remaining. $47. Atin talaan. 47-58. Timeout. Lasal. Tingnan natin muna ang huddle ng Lasal Green Hills dito. Okay, back to the ball game. Hello, bagus. Okay, time remaining 1 minute and 2 seconds daw po. Okay po yan sa ating official. Number 17. Oh, steal by Evangelista. Number 28, handoff to Cruz, Loki. Cruz, bounce pass. Nabitawan ni number 38. Evangelista, steal by number 7. Another steal. Oy! Grabe, tatlo ang green shirt dun to get the ball. Time out. And back to the ball game. Last 28 seconds ang natitira sa ating laban. 11-point lead para sa Lasal Green Hills. Tignan natin makakahabol dito ang Lasal Zobel. Let's go! Sino tatanggap ng bola? Number 30 for 3. In and out, rebound. And that's a jump ball. Bola ng Lasal Green Hills. Oh, sorry, Lasal Zobel. Last 22 tayo. Number 17, pass number 30 for 3. No good. Number 10, wala. Rebound. Almeda, no good. Sayang, muntik na, napalakas lang. Last 10 seconds. 10 seconds remaining. Cruz. Nabitawan, steal by Almeda. Number 30. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a nice game from both teams. At nanaig ang Lasal Green Hills sa labang ito. And a nice game para sa Lasal Zobel. Ito ang kanilang unang panal at talo dito sa season na ito. go. Bounce bot tayo sa susunod. And congratulations once again sa Lasal Guarinias. 2-0 na po sila. Alright, maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. And God bless everyone. And shoutout po sa pamilya Zamora. And the rest, ganun din po sa pamilya Almeda who's invited me here para i-cover ang kapanapanabik na laban ng Battle of Lasal. Yan, maraming salamat po ma'am and sir sa inyong lahat. At ganun na po sa lahat ng Perez na kasama natin dito. Alright, God bless everyone. Keep safe. Hanggang sa muli.